If you look at the definition talaga ng ating mga eggs, there are standards actually per Bureau of Agriculture and Fisheries Standards referring to the correct sizes ng ating mga eggs. And these are based on the grams. So halimbawa for jumbo, ang size niya
Ganun
dapat
na rin.
70 grams and above. For extra large ay 65 to 69 grams. For large is 60 to 64 grams. For medium is 55 to 59. Next is small and then peewee. So ang difference niya lang is 5 grams. If you look at the sizes, gamit yung mata natin, it's very difficult to really distinguish from one size to another. Except siguro yung jumbo to peewee, talaga makita mo yung difference. But between large, medium, and small, sometimes lalo na pag naka-tray yan, it's getting mixed up doon sa tray. So you can see hindi pare-parehas ang weight.
Okay.
That's why we're glad that Kong Nikki Briones has suggested that instead of per piece, it's better to sell it
Per kilo.
on a per kilo per weight basis para talagang ma-assure natin that our consumers will get what they are paying for.